This video will show a cable routing which works for a Bike Friday ticket. This ticket is an express ticket with bar-end shifter and caliper brakes. There are 5 zip ties that help keep the cables in place when you fold the bike. The first one holds all 3 cables together right up front. The second one holds the rear brake and the shift cable to the frame stop to keep them from sliding too much. Third zip tie is connected to a keeper and the hyperfold cable. If there's a Model T ticket with no hyperfold cable, then these 2 cables just get tied to the stay. Fourth zip tie holds those 2 cables together. And the 5th one holds just the brake cable to the hinge plate. For the caliper brake bike, we pass the cable up through the rear triangle to the brake, and the shift cable through the frame stops to the rear derailleur. A bike with V-brakes, this would pass, the brake cable would pass outside through a frame loop to the brake.